public SAAS stocks falling down in US. I'll talk about two of my favorite SaaS companies, Zoom and Twilio. Zoom this year did an annual revenue of $4 billion. The company today is valued at $36 billion. The share price is around $100. At its peak just a few months ago, the Zoom share price was $600. What has happened that the share value has decreased by $500 or more than 70%? The Zoom revenue year on year has been increasing. In 2019 to 2020, Zoom did a revenue of $600 million USD. Last year, Zoom did $2.5 billion in revenue. This year, it has seen a growth of more than 50% in revenue, which is today is $4.1 billion and a profit of $1.3 billion. So why is still negative sentiment towards the Zoom stock or any public SaaS company stock? It's because of uncertainty in the market. As Warren Buffett has said, in short term, stock market is a voting machine, and in long term, stock market is a weighing machine. So you don't need to be bothered because Zoom tomorrow growing at 50% year on year is soon going to be a $20 billion annual recurring revenue business. And at minimum, if you even give it 10x of its annual recurring revenue, is going to be a $200 billion company, which is 6x more than what is today valued. Similarly, Twilio, which is an API infrastructure company, is doing a revenue of $2.8 billion, growing at more than 50% year on year, and is valued less than $30 billion, which is approximately 10x of its revenue. A company like Twilio on any good day would be valued on 20x of its revenue. Twilio share price is today $140. At its peak, the share price was more than $400. So this is uncertainty in the market which is driving the SaaS stocks down. Overall, the consumption of SaaS products globally is increasing more than 50% year on year. That means the revenue of the top SaaS companies, which is Zoom, Twilio, and the likes, are increasing. Zoom, which has by default today become the business lingo for a video call. So I don't say let's do a video call, I tell you that let's do a Zoom call. That's how it has become a verb today. Coming back to our home in India, Freshworks, which was at its peak valued at $13 billion, is today valued roughly between $4 to $5 billion, which is more than decrease of 70% of its valuation. But the Freshworks revenue is increased. The revenue today is $400 million in a year, which is more than 30% the revenue which Freshworks did last year. So SaaS is a growing theme. Do keep updated about the latest happenings in SaaS via SASS Saturdays with Siddharth on 100x Entrepreneur, and subscribe to 100x Entrepreneur on YouTube.